Hello, welcome to the another episode of the Narita and Viplav Show. I'm your host Viplav. Unfortunately, my co-host Narita is not here today. She had some work, so आज मैं ही हूँ, right? So today we'll be talking about a topic which I also struggle with, and I think a lot of people also struggle with perfectionism. So we'll talk about why is it important to let it go and sleep peacefully at night, right? Perfectionism is something that you should let go of, right? Now, uh, so what is perfectionism, right? Perfectionism. Uh, how I understand it is, uh, you know, trying to be टू क्रिटिकल ऑफ योर सेल्फ लाइक मेरे हिसाब से मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन वही है कि जहाँ पे हम किसी चीज़ में उसको एकदम परफेक्ट बनाने का कोशिश करते हैं एंड एक्चुअली बिकम इन द प्रोसेस हम एक्चुअली वी बिकम टू क्रिटिकल ऑफ अवर सेल्फ राइट सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म इज समथिंग दैट बिकम्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन this perfectionism thing, right? And that's why we want to talk about it because a lot of people struggle with it. आज का जो फास्ट पेस्ड वर्ड है, जो एक नॉइजी वर्ड है, राइट? सो इसमें यू वांट टू बी अहेड ऑफ एवरीवन एल्स एंड देयर इज so much of competition, right? So always this thing that you feel ki you're not good enough, right? So whatever you're doing, we can also talk about let's say अगर टाइम होता है या इस पॉडकास्ट में या नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में we can also talk about the imposter syndrome, right? In which basically means that you always feel that you're not good enough, that you do not belong in this place, or that you have not you don't deserve it. आपने इसके लिए काम नहीं किया है, आपके लक ने शायद आपको यहाँ पे पहुँचा दिया है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई टुडे आई थॉट दैट a good topic will be discussing the perfectionism because I have also struggled with it, and ये हर चीज़ों में होता है. For example, I feel like that forget about something creative you're doing, maybe some job that you're doing and उसमें you want to be the best, right? Or even like if we go अगर और further जाते हैं तो for example your आपके studies and exams, right? So what used to be with me is like कि when I used to go for some exam, I used to just like अगर बहुत सारे पढ़ना है तो मैं किसी एक ही सब्जेक्ट को लेके आई वुड जस्ट लाइक कि नहीं इसमें तो परफेक्ट हो जाना है पहले, नहीं नहीं इसको करना है, एंड देन लाइक यू वुड लेट एवरी अदर थिंग सफ़र एक ही सब्जेक्ट लेके. या अगर एक सब्जेक्ट का एग्ज़ाम है तो इट विल बिकम लाइक कि ठीक है ये टॉपिक जो है इसी को लेके मतलब यू नीड लिटिल बिट ऑफ you know knowledge of a lot of things, but and you don't need a PhD level thing उस particular thing में, but you're actually trying to do a PhD which is not required because it's just an exam जिसमें you should cover all the syllabus that you want, that is required, right? And so that's how like the small things में perfectionism makes you suffer, right? And also there is this feeling जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, इज लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग दो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो लाइफ में आ जाते हैं, जो लाइफ का एक्चुअली पीस और लाइफ के काम को जो डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. पहला फैक्टर है प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, राइट? और दूसरा फैक्टर है दिस फीलिंग ऑफ नॉट गुड इनफ, ऑलवेज खुद के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल होना, राइट? सो what I think what happens is when you try to be okay, so it's good to be perfectionist, right? But end of the day सबको पता है कि there is nothing called perfect, everything could be improved. he has come in the camera. Alright. So everybody knows that things are always there to be improved, right? Like nothing is perfect, you know. Anything you pick, any food, any place, any job that you do, any spreadsheet that you make, or anything that you pick up, it can be made better, like, right? Except maybe some exams where you get 100 out of 100, but where people get 100 out of 100, but उसको छोड़ के everything there is a scope to making it better, right? So basically nothing is perfect. So when you strive towards perfectionism, what happens is you're always in this double mind that is it good enough? Have I done my best? Right. So it takes away your mental peace when at night when you are going off to sleep, you always have this feeling that it was not good. Like you did not accomplish what you should have, and in the process, you actually do not see that what you have actually accomplished, right? You can become a perfectionist in your career, trying to be achieve everything that you have, but is still not satisfied. So, I think basically perfectionism is a feeling that आपको आता है जब you know you feel not satisfied with your work, and when you're not satisfied with your work, then and you know that you have put a lot of hard work, that means आप satisfaction की तरफ नहीं जा रहे हैं. That means you're not giving yourself a peaceful place in your brain, right? And that is like a very big problem because the peace of mind is very important. And also, what procrastination makes you do is it makes you, sorry, what men, this thing, that topic, our topic, sorry, I forgot, like perfectionism. What perfectionism lead to, the very important thing is procrastination. Because for example, a basic thing that if I have to start this channel that we have started, me and Narita, we have started this podcast channel. So it was a long time before we could start this, because you always feel like you're not good enough, you're not good enough to talk about a subject. But you need to realize that there is also a learning on the job. You also need to realize that you can never know everything, right? So obviously आप एक जगह से you have to start, and when you start you put in little more time, and then आप इसको करते रहते हैं, एक प्रोसेस में जाते हैं, and then you know it is there, it's time for you आप अपने स्केड्यूल में इसका एक जगह डालते हैं, फिर उसके लिए आप उस समय जाके उसको एक पॉडकास्ट को बनाते हैं, राइट? एंड देन यू नो कि ठीक है, जब वो आपके स्केड्यूल में आ जाता है, देन यू ऑल्सो नो कि अब मुझे पॉडकास्ट बनाने का टाइम भी हो गया, देन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग रिसर्च फॉर इट, राइट? सो बेसिकली इट्स अ प्रोसेस, right? But what perfectionism does is like you want to make your first episode the best episode there is ever, right? आपको सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स चाहिए, सारा बेस्ट आपको कैमरा चाहिए, बेस्ट आपको सेटअप चाहिए, बेस्ट आपको माइक चाहिए, एक्सक्यूज मी, everything has to be the best. In that process what you're doing is actually what you want to do, आप actually उसको start नहीं कर रहे हैं, right? So you're missing on something very important in your life, something that thing that you can do, आप उसको एक्चुअली कर नहीं रहे हैं, बिकॉज procrastination has come, and procrastination has come because you want it to be perfect. And as I said, perfectionism doesn't exist. So the best thing to do is like just start with it. कोई भी चीज़ है, just tell yourself that you have done a good enough job. You don't need to be the perfect. The good enough, your being good enough is good. The feeling of being good enough, right? So this is also a very subject जहाँ पे you can feel that good enough is not good enough, because again, because of the competition, because of the fast-paced world that we have in today's modern times. So the good enough is not enough at all, right? Because somebody else is also doing the same thing that you're doing, and that person might be doing it better, and that competition is like giving you sleepless nights. It can be in your job, it can be in your YouTube, it could be in your could be anything that you're trying to do in your life, and that's why what it affects the most is your sleep. आपका रात का like the nights become sleepless, instead of having a peaceful 8-hour sleep, you have a very anxious night. The sleep is affected, and because your sleep is affected, your mental, your hormones are affected, and then your brain is affected, and you're tired, and you're exhausted, and you wake up not fresh in the morning, but actually tired after sleeping, and you have not taken a good sleep at night. And उसके बाद आप, when you have woken up, you have not taken a good sleep, you have woken up tired. So the most important thing that you had to do at night was switch off your mind. But because of this perfectionist history and because of that you're not feeling good enough, or maybe because of being a perfectionist you have not started on the right, and you're not feeling good enough, so you feel less accomplished. Your day to day small goals you don't seem to meet them, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपको एंजाइटी क्रिएट करता है, सो इट इज़ कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है, राइट, इट डजंट स्टॉप, you will carry forward it now the next night also, and the cycle will keep going on, and end of the day you will burn out, you'll not feel happy, there will be a persistent sadness, and the things that have become very common nowadays like depression, or you know not feeling happy about what is going on in your life, right, so that's why it's very important that you need to let go of things, right, you cannot hold on to things, there is something that you have not able to finish, just let go of it. Right, for example, what I read in the books and all कि you imagine that there is a box and it's an imaginary box, और जो भी आपका चीज़ें हैं उसको इस imaginary box में डाल दिया और then keep it out, just let go of it. Now letting go आज के time में it's not easy, right, and it's something that is very important that we all should practice. It's not an easy thing to do. If you have a dream, if you have an ambition, how can you let go of it, right? But life teaches you things, right? So it's better the faster you learn. If the life doesn't have to teach you this lesson, if you can just learn it by yourself, the life becomes much easier, because life कभी भी जाता नहीं है आपके हिसाब से, right? You would think that this is what I want from life, but आपको वो मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा इसके chances तो स्टार्टिंग से ही 50-50% है, right, in probability. But as you grow up, you realize that you know what you actually wanted, that's not maybe the life that you have got, and so what you're not actually doing at that moment, that you're not actually realizing that what life in actuality, the life that you have got is probably good enough, or it's a very good life, but because it's not the life that you had imagined for yourself, you do not appreciate it. For example, I never appreciated myself that one day I'll be making podcast videos on YouTube. Right, this was not my dream. I'm not saying it's a bad job, but actually this was not my dream. My dream was something else, and I tried for it for a lot of time, and I did not succeed, right? And have I let go of it? I still have not let go of it, right? Somewhere in the mind is still एक feeling है, like that I have missed on to something which I really wanted to do, right? But at the same time I also realized that you know life is bigger than that, right? Maybe this feeling, some feelings will always stay with you. You'll always feel that हाँ वहाँ पे जो होना चाहिए था मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, I did not get that thing that I wanted. But at the same time, if you start appreciating what you have, like right now I'm in the phase where I can appreciate. So even though मेरे पास एक feeling है जो मैं चाहता था मैं नहीं कर पाया, जो मुझे चाहिए था मुझे नहीं मिला, even though I tried very hard, so but still I have not got it. So that feeling is somewhere in my mind, but at the same time I have you know try to you know एक stability है आज के time में in my life, right? And that's how I realized that you know I don't know what would have happened if I have gotten that kind of life that I wanted, right? But what I have done is like start appreciating what I have, and what I have is like I have realized that right now I have a kind of stability in my life that I never had before. I am doing a job, so that is happening, right? And then I started a YouTube channel also. Obviously this was not my dream, but you know there's a nice experience that I have started with. My wife pushed me to start doing it. She said that there is something that I can do. She sees it in me that I can do this, even though I do not. But she forced me to do it, so I am doing it. And it's a good experience. I don't know where will it take me. I don't know if what we have wanted, what I want from it, if I'll achieve it or not. Obviously, हमने मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, मैंने और नेता ने स्टार्ट किया है, तो obviously we have some dreams, we have some goals कि maybe we'll have this particular number of subscribers, videos and all those things, right? Like, but why we have started the channel? This also comes from this thing also comes from the fact that the topics that we are choosing is actually the channel has started from two point of views. Number one is we want to share our experiences, right? So I am 32 years old right now, and I have seen a lot of in my life. My life has gone through a lot of ups and downs, and a lot of things has happened in my life, and we have come out of it. And me and my wife, who is my wife, and she was my girlfriend for like 12 years, and now she's my wife. So we have actually gone through a lot of things in our relationship, in our job, in our career, in our studies, in every way. We have gone through a lot of things, and at the end we have come out of it. So this channel is also यहाँ से वो इस जगह से भी ये चैनल निकल के आया है जहाँ पे वी वांट टू शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑल्सो इफ़ हम किसी को हेल्प कर पाते हैं, राइट, जो हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, सो दैट विल बी मच एडेड फैक्टर, राइट. एंड वी ऑल्सो वांट टू टॉक अबाउट सम थिंग्स जो थोड़े से आपको पीस देते हैं, आपको थोड़ा सा काम देते हैं, बिकॉज द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड इज़ वेरी हेक्टिक, इज़ it's something that just like fucks your brain. It does not leave you in a good condition. It's too chaotic. It's too crazy. So we thought that maybe we can start something where we can share our thing, and also if we can bring some kind of stability or peace or calmness, or maybe some of our trips that we have done and some of things that we have learned over the years, अगर आपको हेल्प करने में कहीं भी होता है. प्लस ऑल्सो अ कॉर्नर, दिस यू कैन सी ऑल्सो दिस चैनल एज अ कॉर्नर, जहाँ पे समटाइम्स यू कैन कम टू नॉट लिसन टू ऑल द बॉलीवुड गॉसिप और ऑल द इलेक्शन न्यूज़ दैट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, और ऑल द पॉलिटिक्स दैट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, ऑल या फिर ऑल द क्रेजी दैट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड. If you don't want to listen to all those things, if that thing is enough of like दिन भर का डोज आपका अगर पूरा हो चुका है, एंड इफ़ यू वांट की some genuine heart to heart content जहाँ पे you can think, तो that's why we have started this channel. That was basically the goal behind it, to share something real, something which is not made up, something जो actually we have gone through, right? So not only for some kind of monetary benefit, but something that where we can actually help people, right? So my wife is like this person. She really wants to help others. She really has this thing, me not so much, but she really has it. So that's why we started it, right? So coming back to the topic, so ये बात वहाँ से घूम के आई कि it took us a lot of time to start this thing because we were never sure. We always felt कि नहीं हो पाएगा, कैसे करेंगे, है ना. वी बिफोर ऑल्सो शी स्टार्टेड 1 or 2 चैनल्स, बट शी कुड नॉट बी कंसिस्टेंट बिकॉज लाइफ में इतना सारा चीज़ें होता रहता है, राइट. हाउ डू यू मेक यूट्यूब योर प्रायोरिटी व्हेन देयर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन इन योर लाइफ. So those things, maybe they were more motivated towards by a monetary thing, so maybe they did not work, but this is much more towards like sharing our life experiences and trying to help out people there, trying to give a little bit of calm in your life, right, a peace, talking about the things that matter in your day-to-day life and that can help you in the long run. And as we go ahead, maybe things we can also learn, because we are like literally zero in our life stage. There are like 50 years of learning is still left, right? So we can also learn things along the way. And so we had this perfectionist streak, obviously, that नहीं होगा, कैसे होगा, वी लाइक अच्छा ये भी चाहिए, अच्छा कोई बुक पढ़ देते हैं, अच्छा सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ देते हैं, अच्छा लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम थिंग्स, लेट्स वॉच लॉट ऑफ पॉडकास्ट. तो कई सारे हमने पॉडकास्ट देखे, राइट, बहुत सारे हिंदी के, इंग्लिश के. वी ऑल्सो बॉट ऑडिबल टू ओके कि अगर हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तो काम करते करते विल लिसन टू द बुक्स एंड विल गो थ्रू इट एंड देन विल स्टार्ट समथिंग. एंड सो एंड ऑफ द डे द रियलाइजेशन वॉज दैट कि बहुत सारा बचा हुआ है. मतलब हमेशा रियलाइजेशन ये होता था कि अभी तो बहुत सारा बच गया, अभी कैसे हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. सो वन डे आई वॉज लाइक I don't know, suddenly I just started the camera, I just took the camera and I just started talking, and we have started the channel, I realized that maybe we should just start it, and maybe we can become better at it instead of starting it from a perfectionist point of view. So that also like हमको now when we go off to sleep at night, we don't think about कि अपने podcast channel का क्या करना है. So that is one thing that we have checked, right? So that is where the topic was, right? कि perfectionism को let go करना होता है. Like you have to do two things. One is you have to let go of the things जो आप नहीं कर पाए हैं at the end of the day. So the process of letting go. Also at the same time, the plus thing is you have to know that you're good enough. That what you have done in the life is, or whatever you have accomplished during the day or in your life or during the month is good enough, right? You have done your hard work, right? The point comes that when you're doing the hard work, do it honestly, right? It can, like, what is the saying, like hard work मतलब hard work ही नहीं, you can do the smart work. Smart work also requires hard work, right? But when you have done that honestly, you need to know that now you need to know that you have done your part, right? That you are good enough, and that you have to let go of the things जो नहीं हो पाए, and then have a nice, peaceful sleep at night. Maybe watch something, maybe watch our podcast before going off to sleep, or you can listen to some music, or you can watch something. Like I like to watch दूरदर्शन पे जो ब्योमकेश बख्शी था, पुराना तो यूट्यूब पे एपिसोड्स आते हैं. आई लाइक टू वॉच इट. इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी पीसफुल feeling, like old kind of things. It gives me a very peaceful feeling. They are like 35-36 episodes on YouTube, and I watch it before I go off to sleep, and that puts me in a very nice calming sleep, right? So everybody has different, but do not go off to sleep watching a lot of shorts or some reels, or like seeing all hectic these kind of things. Try to go off to sleep peacefully. आज के टाइम में गिविंग एडवाइसेस काइंड ऑफ कि सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस घर के बाहर रख दो एंड गो ऑफ टू स्लीप, इट्स नॉट feasible. Even I can't do it, right? So I will not say something like free fund का फंडा I will not give here, right? I also can't do it. आज के टाइम में I don't think it's possible that you can do something like that, right? But whatever the content that you're watching at night, try to make it a peaceful content. Maybe my wife listens to the meditation music, some hertz kind of music that she has, and sometimes she listens to bhajans, but in the morning then she wakes up and again listens to them. So she has that kind of thing. I like to watch something old, something that reminds you of childhood, or something very peaceful where there is not a lot of music to it. Sometimes I like to watch some movies where जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा म्यूज़िक नहीं होता है, या बहुत ज़्यादा like there is nothing happening in the movie. Like for example, No Country for Old Men, right? Yeah, there is a movie called Once Upon a Time in America. उसमें Robert De Niro है, right? So I had a version of it which was I think some version, what was it called, director's cut or something, and it was 4.5 hours long, that movie, and there was nothing happening in the movie. Or you can watch Godfather, right? So Godfather is also a movie जहाँ पे basically बहुत time तक कुछ होता नहीं है. Or you can watch old Hindi movies also, like Devanand movies, Guide, and kind of movies, right? So those movies also, there's nothing happening in them, right? For a long time there is no dialogue spoken, like nobody is speaking anything. So these are some things that you can try to find peaceful sleep at night, and try to sleep for as long as possible. 6 to 8 hours of sleep is very important. Your brain needs to switch off, your body needs to go in the repairing process, and so it becomes very important to practice a good sleep, right? So I think this will be enough for this episode. We'll catch up tomorrow again. I'll try to bring my co-host Narita also tomorrow. Let's see, right? So but we try ki even if one of us is there, we always try that let's put out one episode, right? That's what we are trying. We're trying to put out one episode every day. So yeah, we're also learning on, like, every day we have a new learning, right? I hope it's becoming better, right? So yeah, these are the things. So perfectionism is a good thing till the point you can do it. After the point you have done enough for the day, just switch off. Let the other things which have not come finished, let those things go. It's very important that you let them go. And at the end of the day, know that you're good enough. And good enough is good. You know, being good enough is the best thing you can feel for yourself, right? And be content for that is something very important. Right? It's not, I'm not saying this is not promoting mediocrity, but actually this will help you gain a lot of perspective, because you will have some time for yourself. You'll have some time to think. You will not just keep doing something like a machine. You'll think. There will be some time, and at the end of the day you will have a good night's sleep, which will freshen your mind, and which will fill your life with a lot of happy thoughts, and you'll be happy with yourself, and you'll make people happy around yourself. You'll make your family happy, your parents, your mom, dad, your wife. If you have children, then your children, play with your pets. Sorry, before going off to sleep. So yeah, that is it for today's podcast. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.